Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on Sunday in this additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 1st, 2023. Yes, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Oh well, I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve, 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first Sudoku I will solve today on Sunday, yes. Day after Saturday. July the 1st. It's actually today, July the 2nd. This will be number 6688. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 3 Stars Sudoku, I thought it was a Sudoku with 25 printed digits. No way, 30 printed digits. 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Cannot tell. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 30 digits, so should be in 1 star or 0 stars. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Come on. A lot of 8s. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8, cannot continue with 8 now. Well, the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. The 9, okay. Interesting. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2. Well. 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Come on. We 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 1 and 8, 9, 3, 2. 1 here. Come on. 6, 8. 5, 4, and a 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are in the second column, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 5. Alright. 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1. Need a 1 there. And then, yeah. Look. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And look to the 1, we have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So the other 3 missing numbers are... the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, okay. Yeah, 2, 4, 5. Let me think. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The 1. Need a 1 here. 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. Ay. 3, 3. Need a 4 here. Let me put some numbers. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. 8, 9, 2, 3. Yeah. Come on, 1, 3. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next, on that column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, so 3 could be there. Need a 8, we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 6. Well, it's a hard one. 1. This one is not easy one. Okay. Let me see. 9 minutes already passed. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 1. That's a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. The other pair in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 3 and the 6 are missing here. Yeah. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. 4. No. Well. Need a 1. Need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5, should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevator 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 1 box left in the first column for the 1. The 2 is missing here. Yeah, the 2 is missing. 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the 4. 1, the 2, yeah. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 number. Oh no. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, the other pair in this big square, other numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see here 1 in the first row, no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Not true. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright, so 2 missing numbers here. Here we have 1 and 8. So the other pair should be the 6 and the 5. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 6. Yeah, 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay. Let me think. 7. Yeah, need a 7 here. Alright. 7, 4, 8, 2, 5. Need a 3 here. 2, 5, 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and a 9. And here we have a pair. So what are these three missing numbers? The one is missing, the 2. The 3 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Well, overlooked. 5 and a 1. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. Okay. So 7 and a 9. So 2 numbers left here. For numbers, 1 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. So those two boxes will be 7 and a 9 then. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. One box left in this column for number 7 then. 7, 7, 7. Okay. 1 and a 3 are left now. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there, finishing 16 minutes. Well. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's not a 1 star, but the 2 stars puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.